Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Today we are not going to discuss any advanced topic, not going to discuss any new topic. Today we are going to discuss about how you can reset your mobile phone and also how you can format your mobile phone, format or reset, and also how you can configure your new phone after unboxing. So the process is very similar after opening your phone. First time when you open any phone, when you unbox any phone, after purchasing or after getting it. So how you can configure yourself without taking any help of such an assistant, we are going to discuss in this video completely. And also additionally we will discuss how you can reset your phone if your phone giving you trouble without any help of your surrogate assistant. So most of the settings are same in your in case of your phone, but a few settings may be additional, few settings may be different as per your models and as per your device. Okay, so I hope this video will help you also, everyone also. But you may think that okay, I know, you may think that you know the process, you know the procedure, even you are an expert. Okay, so you are our subscriber, so you are an expert. But someone who is new to Android, definitely he or she will need this video. So this is why you have to share this video and press the like button. And thank you for subscribing. If you are not subscribed, if you first time visit this channel, please subscribe this channel for more useful tips and tricks. Also, we have uploaded lots of tutorials in our channel. Just go our watch page and watch all our previous videos. Another interesting news for you, we have opened a second channel where we give you some small tips and tricks and some learnings using shorts videos. So don't forget to subscribe our second channel Accessible Computing Shorts, because we always keep learning and keep you updated with the latest knowledge of technology with accessibility or assistive technology. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. The channel link is given in the video description below, as well as I have pinned the channel link at the first comment of this video. So don't forget to comment, check the comment, and don't forget to check the video description also. If you are not our community member, you can join our community by joining Facebook group, Facebook page, WhatsApp group, and Telegram channel. Don't forget to subscribe our Telegram channel also, because there we have shared some softwares. We will also share some softwares, some quick tips, tutorials, and much more. So stay connected, stay learning. Without any delay, let's hop in today's wonderful episode. Welcome to Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. If you want to be a tech expert, subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon and choose all notifications to get latest updates. Don't forget to like the video, share the video. If you have any doubts and queries, feel free to ask into the comment section. Keep watching, keep learning. So first I will show you how you can reset your phone, how you can start formatting your phone. For that I am opening my phone.
7:14 p.m. To unread from Getters.
So yeah, so
Teams. Home. Button. Windows.
First I need to go to settings. I'm using Redmi Note 7 Pro. So I'm going to settings.
Current time 7:14. Page 2. Settings. Settings.
Then settings, I'll go additional setting. I go about,
Search.
like.
Settings. About phone. MIUI Global 12.5.
Okay, so this is the about phone. Okay, somewhere, some phone, in some phone you can find the same options from about phone. So I'm going to at bottom.
Show location 32. Services and feedback 30. Privacy 31. Accounts and sync 29 of 30.
Okay, so these are the things.
Special features.
Okay, so I'm going to stop. I'm going to like about phone.
About back button out of list. Storage occupied. MIUI. Android version. Android secure. All specs 4 of 10. Backup and restore 6. Factory reset 7 of
Okay,
10.
so factory reset. So I'm just clicking on factory reset.
Factory reset. Accounts 2 of 7. Erase the following item.
Okay,
Accounts
erase
2
the
of 7.
following items. So you need to keep in you must keep in mind that all data will be erased.
Contacts 3 of 7. Photos and videos. Apps. Backups. Other items on this device.
Okay, I'm just slowing down the features. So now you can able to listen more.
All the items listed above will be erased permanently. Note, before restoring items, check whether the folder MIUI backup exists on your mobile device.
Okay.
Erase all data.
Just click on erase all data.
Erase all data factory. Cancel. Next button. Disable.
Just click on next button.
Cancel. Next button. Disable. Cancel. Editing password. Edit box.
Okay, so you need to give your password. If you have any password, you can give the mobile's password. So I'm quickly give my password. After entering the password, click on next button.
Keyboard hidden.
It will start erasing.
Backup button. Factory reset button.
Click on factory reset.
Checking find device status. Settings. Tension. Factory data reset will erase all data on your phone, including photos, songs. No. Cancel. Next step.
Okay, so
disable.
Click on next step.
Next step 1 button. Disable. Next. Cancel. Factory data reset will erase all. Tension. Cancel. Next button.
So I'm clicking on next button.
Okay 10. Okay 9. Okay 8.
So within 10 seconds it will start erasing.
Okay 5. Okay 4. Okay 3. Okay 2. Okay 1. Okay. Tension. Make sure all the important items are backed up to your computer.
Okay.
Cancel. Okay button.
So I'm clicking on OK button and it will start erasing.
Factory reset. Navigation buttons are turned off. Navigation buttons disabled. Double tap any button to turn them back on.
Okay.
Erase all.
So all buttons are now erasing, and after erasing all these things, we will able to open the phone again. And when you open the phone first time, after unboxing, you will get that interface which we will get right now after factoring data reset. So please follow the steps which I will follow after resetting, and that will help you to configure your mobile phone after unboxing if you use first time the mobile phone. So you may get some other noises, sometimes some speakers noises and other noises, because it is very tough to record this video. So but still I'm trying to record this video only for you. So don't forget to press the like button. As well as if you want to learn more, about us, you can visit our official website. The link is given in the video description below. Okay, let's come back after reset completion.
TalkBack on. TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blind.
So my phone is now restarted and my phone is now reset. So after unboxing your smartphone, you just need to press, when the light is on, when the welcome screen is present, after 3-4 seconds or 5 seconds, you just need to press your volume up key and volume down key with hold down volume up key and volume down key, and you will listen the notification sound, the default notification sound. When you listen that, just leave the fingers and press it again to turn on the TalkBack, and after that you can easily do the configuration. Please note, some devices may need assistance because in some devices, by default, Google TTS voice data is not installed. So if you're facing this problem, please take this help from Sighted Assistance. Or you can do the things which we will show in the video. Let me turn on TalkBack.
TalkBack on.
See.
TalkBack tutorial.
So this is a tutorial. If you need, you can just access.
TalkBack is learn lesson 1, practice lesson 1, lesson 2, learn lesson,
so
practice lesson, learn practice lesson, practice lesson, learn.
We know everything, so we just
scrolling forward and backward. Learn lesson 2 button. Double tap to activate. Provision. My UI 12.5.
So I'm just turning back. Go to back once. Now see.
Yours alone.
Yours alone.
My UI 12.5. Yours alone. Start button.
Start button. So just click on start button to start configuring your mobile phone.
Portrait. Choose language.
Choose language.
India, enlist 80 items.
By default, according to your country, your
Tap to activate.
see, all the things are activated now. By default, according to your country, the language is selected. But if you want, you can change the language from this.
Disabled. English India.
English India. More languages is not coming. Why? Because some
Malayu.
See.
Basansky. Catalog. Sesti. Dance. Deutsch. Easti. English. United Kingdom.
Okay, so all these things are there. I'm just choosing
next button out of list.
Next button. Next button is present in the at the bottom right corner of your mobile phone. So I'm just clicking on next button.
Choose your region. Edit box.
Choose your region.
Choose your region.
So region means you should choose your region. So let's see. India is already selected for me.
Not tick. More regions. Next button out of list.
So now again I'm clicking on next button. The next button is present at the same, which I have already told you.
Terms and conditions.
So some
User
terms and
agreement
conditions.
in list. Read our use. Next button. Disabled. Back button. Not tick. I've read and agree to the user agreement and
See.
privacy policy tick box.
So as per your terms and conditions, as per your company, you just need to check this box checked.
Tick.
You can find this, just go to the next button, then swipe back from right to left 2 times, like next button, back button, then you will get. Otherwise you can also go from left right swiping.
Back button. Next button.
I'm clicking on next button. Let's see what's there in the next screen.
Connect to network. Add network.
Connect
Keyboard
a network.
updating your typing
Okay.
experience. Connect to network.
Connect a network.
Dangerous Wi-Fi signal full. Secure network.
So dangerous Wi-Fi signal full. So Wi-Fi is on. Automatically Wi-Fi is getting on when you turn on your video mobile phone. So dangerous is my network.
Connect to
So
network out of list.
it is very fast connections. So
Dangerous Wi-Fi. Dangerous network details button.
okay, network details.
_PD_2.. Signal. Add network. Back button. Skip. Next button. Skip.
So we just skip this part. You can, if you don't have Wi-Fi, you can skip.
This
Okay.
may take a few minutes. Checking for updates.
So checking for updates.
Installing updates.
If you skip this, it definitely use your mobile data. So keep in mind that your mobile data should be filled. Otherwise, you need to connect any trusted Wi-Fi connections. By the way, if you need the video related to Wi-Fi, secures, Wi-Fi history, and all these things,
You can choose to
you can
transfer your
visit our
apps,
second channel
photos.
also.
Don't. Next.
See,
You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account and more.
see, I'm just taking my speaker. Now listen carefully.
You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account and more.
Okay, so you can just transfer if you want. You can transfer. Otherwise,
Don't copy button.
if you have any
Double tap to activate.
if you have any backup in your drive, you can copy from data from drive. If you click on here, then you need to give the credentials. And also, I'm not suggesting this.
Next button.
Just click on next button.
Double tap
What's there
to
in the
activate.
screen? Let's see. If you click on next button, then you should copy, or
Don't copy.
click on
button.
don't copy. So if you don't have
Double
any
tap to
backup, just click on
activate.
don't copy. I'm sorry.
Just a sec.
Yeah. Just a sec.
Just a sec. Account setup.
Account
Checking
setup. Now you have to
info,
give your
heading.
Gmail account. Checking your info.
heading.
So it is just checking my info.
Checking info heading. Sign in with your Google account.
Now
Learn more.
you need to give
Sign
you the
in.
sign in. So how to sign in? Like
Sign in.
sign in.
With your Google account. Learn more about
Edit box.
For-
Edit box, email or phone.
Edit box, email
Double
or
tap to
phone.
edit text. Edit options available. You swipe
Okay.
up, then
So
type.
here you need to give your edit email ID or phone. So I'm just giving my email ID. After that,
Collapsed. Next.
next button. So just I'm clicking on
Double
next
tap
button.
to
If you don't have
activate.
email ID, you can also create from here,
Collapsed.
like
create account.
create
Pop-up
account.
button.
So I didn't make any
Double
video
tap to
regarding
change
create account. So if
actions
you
available.
want, you can
swipe up, then
definitely
right.
no. I will
Edit
try
box,
to
email or phone.
create. Okay.
Learn more.
Edit box, email or phone.
So
Edit
here I'm
box,
just
email
typing
or
my
phone.
email ID and then press next button and come back to the video. So I've given my email ID and click on next button. Then I should.
Editing password. Edit
So I should give my password after that.
Show password. Next.
But
So this is
not ticked.
yes.
Show password.
This is a
Tick
checkbox
box.
of show password. So you
Double
can
tap
use
to
this.
toggle.
Next.
Then
Button.
click on next button.
Double tap to
Okay.
activate.
So I'm just giving my password and come back to the video again after clicking the next button. I've
Two-step
given my password,
verification
so
to help
I have
your
turned
account
on the
safe.
two-step
Google wants to
verification.
be
So
sure
again,
that
I
it's
need
Google.
just give the OTP.
Two-step to help keep your I'm in.
So yes, I'm in, and there is another button like skip.
button.
So I'm recommending you to choose skip button. Okay.
Welcome.
Welcome web view.
So now I am signed in with my Gmail account, which is easy, with the help of which we can easily download required apps and all. Okay.
Welcome.
Welcome.
We Google term. I agree.
So just click on
Button.
I agree. Okay, so I think you need to
Getting account
yeah,
info.
getting account info.
Just a sec.
Just a sec, it will
Google
just
services.
configuring. Okay.
Google serve. Retulbasa backup and collab on switch for use basic device.
So
hack.
some
tap
something
to
is there, so I'm
off.
just turning off it.
Location. Collapsed. Use location. On switch for
So
off.
location off, everything
Off
should
switch
be
for
off.
allows device maintenance. Off switch for allow scanning. Disable. Collapsed. Send usage and die. On switch.
So I also
off.
turn this on off.
Collapsed.
Everything you should
install
off.
updates.
Okay.
Tap accept to confirm your selection of these Google server. Accept button out of list.
Just click on accept.
Continue setup.
Keep going to get your phone fully set up. Or leave now and get a reminder to finish late. Continue button.
So continue. I'm just
Double
clicking on
tap.
continue. I need to set up my mobile
Google.
phone.
Just a sec. Google.
See.
Google Assistant logo. Setup wizard web view. Once your phone is set up, try these popular things to ask me. Tell. Set a next button.
I'm just clicking on next
Voice
button
match
again.
enrollment. I agree button.
So just click on I agree.
Your assistant can already recognize your voice. Next button.
So I'm just configuring the Google Assistant voice with it. So just I think it's done.
Add another email. Change font size. Change wallpaper.
Okay, so everything is done.
Change wall. No. Anything. Set up a few more. Anything else.
Let's see what are the another options there.
No thanks button.
So just click on no thanks in the last screen.
Adding the finishing touches. This may take a few minutes.
Okay.
Sign in to your Me account. Sign in with the previously used Google account. Google account button. Me account button. Back button. Skip.
So
Double
if you're
tap to
using a Me
activate.
account, MI account, so you can use this or
Skip.
skip.
Me account and Xiaomi Cloud. Skip. Sign in button. Skip button.
So then again I'm skipping this.
Set password. Only screen lock column 1.
Only
Group
screen
1.
lock.
Fingerprint column 2.
Fingerprint.
Double
Okay.
tap to act.
So I'm just setting my fingerprint also.
Set screen lock.
See,
Set screen. Pattern. Draw a simple
pattern,
pin. Enter 4 to
pin.
alert.
Okay.
Remember your password. Remember your lock screen password. If you forget it, you'll have to erase all data on your device, including photos and contacts.
Okay.
Not now. Got it, but
Got it.
showing numeric password keyboard. Settings.
So here I now just need to give the pin and follow the on-screen instructions. Then after that I will come back to the video because you don't need to know my phone pin. So I'm giving the pin and then come back.
Numeric password
So now I'm
keyboard.
adding
Double
my
tap to
fingerprint.
activate. Add fingerprint. Add fingerprint. Add fingerprint. Add fingerprint. Move your finger slightly.
See, I'm just touching my
Add
fingerprint and
Move your finger slightly. Add fingerprint. Add fingerprint. Add fingerprint.
I'm trying to.
Add fingerprint. Add fingerprint. Fingerprint 1 done.
Yes.
Done.
So I'm just
Double
clicking
tap
on
to
done button.
additional settings. Send diagnostic data automatically.
Okay.
Usage stats which help us locate and solve issues may contain your personal info. Tick box.
No.
Not tick. Personalized ads. Glance for me. Tick box. Automatic system updates. MIUI will select the best time to download and install updates. Glance for me. Try wallpaper carousel. Read and agree to the third. Try but no thank. Additional. Read and user experience. Help us improve our products and services by sharing your usage stats with us. View details. User experience program. Tick box. Not ticked. Help. Back button. Up. Next button.
So I'm clicking on next button.
Select default launcher. Classic. App drawer. Ticked classic. Radio button.
So classic is
Ticked.
okay. I
Not
don't
ticked
want
app drawer.
drawer.
Back button. Next button.
I'm
Setup
clicking on
complete.
setup
You are ready
complete.
to rock. Complete button.
Click on complete button.
Loading apps.
Yeah. So now the default apps is loading. So I hope after this you can easily able to navigate your mobile phone. This is for the video. This is for the session. This is for this. This is for today. If you find this content useful, then definitely again press the like button and don't forget to share your feelings into the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay learning. Bye bye.